What up guys, in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you two free crypto mining applications that you can have on your mobile phone and start mining some free cryptocurrency today. These free crypto mining applications are also long-term projects, meaning you are going to be mining for a very long time. Remember, we mined Pi Network for about 6 years, we mined Core for about 2 years, and there are some people that are still mining Ruby and Sidra, which is going to about 3 years already. All right, so the minimum duration we're going to be mining these projects I'm going to be sharing with you in this video just 1 year. All right, so it might be more than, there's one that is more than 1 year, but the minimum is 1 year. All right, so I'm going to be showing you how to join this project, how you can start mining for free on your mobile phone with these two mining applications. All right, so if you're interested and you want to know how this project really works and how you can earn some free cryptocurrencies with this mining application just using your mobile phone, you have to watch this video till the end. All right, so the first one I'm going to talk about is called Keys. Now, before I give you more details about this project, I want you to understand that mining free cryptocurrencies on your mobile phone will not make you rich, but can give you some few dollars in your wallet and also help you experience some new cryptocurrencies as a newbie into the space. All right, so never you put high hopes on free crypto mining application hoping to become very rich. I also made a video on airdrops in general for newbies. Now, airdrops is what we are doing here. Mining is also known as airdrop. So getting free cryptocurrency is known as airdrop. All right, so I made a free video on that and how to get started and all you need to know about airdrop. So if you've not seen that video, I'm going to leave it in the description of this video. It's also going to pop up on the top right corner of this video. Click it and watch it. It's going to help you, guide you, and make you understand what we are actually doing here as a newbie. All right, now quickly let's hop into today's video. Now, in order for us to register an account on Keys application, you need to use the link in the description of this video. Go down there, click on it, and it's going to take you to where you can sign up and create an account. So to have an account, all you have to do is to fill up these boxes right here. You can leave it on USA. If yours is on USA, you can leave it. Then you just go ahead, put your email address, create your password, confirm your password, you click on continue. I think it's going to send a verification code to your email and you'll be able to get access to this platform and you'll be able to verify your account and you'll need to log in with the same details. I've already created an account. I won't be able to show you all those steps right here, but let me just log into my account and I show you how the application functions. All right, so once you are into the application this way, you can take your time to read this welcome notes you can see here. Take your time to read it. It's going to also be useful to you. All right, so once you get into the application, you are going to notice that this button showing mining in progress is going to be showing start mining. All right, so all you need to do is to click on the start button and you'll be able to start mining instantly. All right, now remember, this is a brand new one. The white paper is currently not yet available. So if I click on white paper right here, you can see key white paper. So we click on it and all right, so you can see it says not yet open. All right, so the white paper is not yet available. But guys, in case you are still mining on the web browser, go ahead, click on this key app here and download the mobile application on your mobile phone and start mining. All right, now another thing you are also going to be doing in this platform is at the same time you are mining keys. You know, keys is what we are mining here. As long as you're mining keys, if you click on this mining here right here, you will be able to claim some free Bitcoin also for mining keys, and I think you can earn more when you also invite. So invite your friends so that you can also increase your Bitcoin. I don't know if they're going to let us withdraw this, although when we were mining Core, they gave us the access to this Bitcoin and we were able to withdraw it. So I don't know if these people are going to let us withdraw. Now also over here you can see it says mining cycle 2 years, so we're going to be mining for 2 years on this mobile application. So you that are hopping into this project right now, you should make sure you have it in mind that the fruit of this labor is going to be in after 2 years. All right, so you keep your mining consistent and make sure you accumulate more of this token. All right, and total supply right here we can see is 97 million of this token. All right, so it's not really much. So that's just how this platform works and how you can use it to start mining. So mining is very easy, once in every 24 hours. And once you click on it, you'll see this countdown is going to be going down. So I have, in 3 more hours time, my mining is going to stop and I'll need to activate it again. The application actually is a very nice one. You can take your time to go through it. They have exchange coming up. They also have their DApp, which is still coming up, which is still under construction. You can see there's going to be a DApp here, and they also have their own inbuilt wallet. All right, there's an inbuilt wallet right here already on this application, guys. So make sure you try your best to accumulate more of this token every single day. Like me, I've already claim I've already mined up to 1246 keys right here. So guys, you are still early. Hop on it right now and accumulate more. So if you're interested, the link is in the description. Go down there, click on it, and you are good to go. All right. So the second one I'm going to be talking about is called the Mightier Network. Now this is also another brand new one, and also has a very easy and simple interface, and the functions are not difficult. It's something you can interact with easy. It's very user friendly. All right, so if you're interested, the link is also in the description. Go down there, click on it, and it's going to take you to where you can sign up and for an account, and you can also download the application from the Play Store. All right, so once you download the application, you should be able to start mining instantly. And to mine, you can see my button is showing start mining, meaning I am currently not mining. So all you need to do is to click on that button and your mining is going to be activated. Now you will need to boost your mining about 2 times. You need to boost it, and you can see we can mine for every 8 hours. You can see we have 7. You can see the timer right here. So we're going to be mining for every 8 hours. So you come back here every 8 hours, you click, and it depends on your timing anyway. Come over here and you accumulate it. It's actually new also and has a very good mining rate right now. All right, so to boost, you click on the tab and you accept this. Sometimes they show you ads, sometimes it doesn't really bring ads. Then you are just going to tap and you boost like 2 times. You can see right now I've boosted and I didn't get any advertisement. All right, so I can tap it again to complete the boost for the day. All right, so I'm going to be boosting my earnings. Okay, so I've boosted it 2 times. There was no advertisement, nothing, but I've boosted it. You can see right here the boost is also counting. So I'm going to be earning more than what I've done than if I'm going to be mining without the boost. All right, so that is just how you can activate your mining here and mine. All right, so you can see there's a wallet here also, and in case you want to use your referral code, you just click on this invite and earn button. Then it's going to bring you link, then you can copy and share with your friends and bring them on board. All right, so you can earn in referral on the referral program. You can earn up to a level 5, so you can be getting more empty tokens from your referrals. If you can refer, you're going to earn more. You make more money, you earn more free tokens with this application. All right, the wallet is actually there, but it's not really active yet, but you can see some history or some recent activities, which means my daily mining has been on right here. So we can see you can see it in the history right here. So guys, the links in the description. If you are interested, you can hop on it and start mining right now, guys. Now you can also come here, you can follow their social media so that you get vital information from this project. All right, you can join their community so that you can know what's really going on if you want to follow up with this project. Guys, this is it. This is how it works, guys. I just showed you how you can use these 2 mobile applications for free to get some free cryptocurrencies every single day using your mobile phone, guys. Like I said, mining free cryptocurrencies won't get you rich, but give you some free dollars into your wallet as a newbie into the crypto space. All right, so guys, if you like what I showed you in this video, please give this video a thumbs up. If this is your first time on my YouTube channel, go ahead, smash the subscribe button, click on the notification bell sign so you get notified each time I upload another brand new one, guys. I'll see you guys again in my next video. Bye.